Once again, welcome back to my channel as Starboys. Thank you for the 1K subscriber, guys. If you are not there, we are not there. So please subscribe our channel as Starboys. Keep supporting our channel. We'll get the best content for you. Comment down below what you want to see in our channel next. So today's video, we are going to show how to fix for the Dio bag hook. Guys, this is a bag hook. If bag hook is not there, it is very uncomfortable to keep the luggage and move. Already fall down, as you can see, it is already a broken. See guys, it is already broken. It is very important to keep covers and bag secure. Let's fix it. You can buy the thing. It is called a bag hook. It is available in the hardware shop. It costs 50 rupees. See guys, this one. It will be coming like this. See guys, this is in the Bangalore. It will cost only 50 rupees. As you can see, in your state it will be less also. For fixing it, you need a screwdriver. You have to remove the two screws here. Let's remove it. After removing, it will be like this. Two holes over here. You have to take a new one and take two screws. As you can see, after fixing the two screws, it will be like this. See guys. That's all for today's video, guys. I know it is very short video. In the YouTube, there is no video how to fix it. We have put the first step.
Like, share, subscribe and comment down below your suggestions. Till then, wait for my next video.
Fixing, you need a screwdriver. Once again, welcome a bag hook. It will be available in the bag